pages. All right, most of us will be hosting or going to parties on Sunday. If you're looking to cut carbs and still have a snack that wows, apparently we're going to go with cauliflower. Arina Landis from partytips.com is here. Cauliflower?
It is the it vegetable, and you can make so many great things, and it's so it's deceiving because you're not quite sure that you're eating cauliflower.
Now, how did we get to this point? Like, when did cauliflower become like the it vegetable?
You know, every year there's an it vegetable.
Because people are eating healthier.
Exactly. And so the beet was a big vegetable a couple of years ago. This year it's cauliflower, and I'm sure next year it'll be something else. But it's really a fabulous thing to eat, especially if you're watching your carbs.
All right, I know we've got some cool things we're going to show the finished product, so let's find how we get to that.
Okay.
Starting with, you just chopped up some cauliflower?
You know what? Initially, what you're going to do is you're going to wash your cauliflower, you're going to put it in a food processor. And if you want to continue working with cauliflower, get yourself a food processor. It's much easier.
Yeah.
You process it, you put it in a bowl, and then you pop it in the microwave for about 8 minutes. And then, you know, you stir it a couple of times, then you take it out and you dab it with a paper towel, just because cauliflower tends to lose some water as it cooks. So then you have this fabulous finished product.
It almost looks like rice or mashed potatoes at this point.
You can do anything with this. So now, because cauliflower doesn't really taste like anything, we have to put the taste back in.
This is where the magic happens.
This is when the magic happens.
Right.
Yes. So first we're going to do a quarter cup to an eighth of, or half a cup of cottage cheese. Okay. And then we're going to put 1 egg white. You know, I really like your tie. It was about to have some egg on it. But and then you'll put, you know, about a quarter cup of cheese in here.
Just to kind of your taste.
Exactly. And then you're going to start.
It's already smelling better.
It is. It is. And you're going to start jazzing it up. So I'll put maybe a quarter teaspoon or even a teaspoon of oregano. We've got a little dried basil in here. And you know, this recipe is so much fun because you can customize it. So the biggie here, the big thing that's going to bring some flavor to it,
the one thing you got to have?
You got to have is garlic powder.
Okay.
And so it's not garlic salt, it's garlic powder.
Right.
And what it's going to do is it's just going to, you know, make your cauliflower bites seem like you're, you know, eating something Italian and rich and decadent. So
now, what are the pepperonis for?
So that it's coming, but it's kind of a last minute. So then you're going to take this, you're going to take some mini muffin pans, and I've already put some in here for you, but the key is to flatten it out on the sides, because you want that part to cook so they can stay together. And then you're going to pop it in the oven for about 8 minutes at 425, 450. You're going to do it for 8 minutes, then you're going to pull it out, and then you're going to top each one off with some, if you'd like to do it, you can, with some mini, these are turkey pepperonis, and then some green onions and some cheese, and then you're going to pop it back in the oven for about 2 minutes, and voila.
And then here we go, the finished product. All right, I'm going to try these out. You'd never know that was cauliflower.
Yeah.
Pardon me. That's really, really good. And because it's cauliflower, I'm not going to say it's super healthy, but it's healthier at least, right?
Definitely, definitely.
Okay.
Yes.
Arina is going to work some more magic in here. She's got 2 more things over here that are amazing. So stick around, Arina.